Do you ever feel like cooking is more stressful than satisfying? Because your kitchen's a mess? Well, get ready, because today we're diving into kitchen organization that can completely transform how you cook, clean, and enjoy your space. From clutter-free countertops to smart cabinet hacks, by the end, your kitchen will not just look amazing, it'll work amazing too. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you love smart home hacks, interior inspiration, and stylish living, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to organize your kitchen, step by step, so you can save time, cook better, and actually enjoy being in your kitchen again. Step 1 of every kitchen organization journey, decluttering. Start by pulling everything out of your cabinets and drawers. Toss anything expired or unused. You'll be shocked how many duplicate spatulas you have hiding in there. Next, define your kitchen zones: cooking, prepping, cleaning, and storing. This is a game changer. Keep cookware near the stove, utensils near prep space, and plates near the dishwasher or sink. You'll move smarter and faster. Now that you've cleared the chaos, it's time to store smart. Use pull-out drawers, lazy Susans, and stackable bins to make every inch count. Vertical storage is your best friend. Think wall-mounted racks, hanging hooks, and magnetic strips. For your pantry, switch to clear containers. You'll always know what's running low, plus, it just looks super satisfying. Don't forget under-sink storage. Add a sliding basket or tension rod for cleaners. It keeps the area tidy and easy to access. Let's talk countertops, the heart of your kitchen. The rule is simple: keep them clear. Only leave out items you use daily, like a coffee maker or toaster. Everything else, store it. For drawers, use dividers. Separate your utensils, knives, and cooking tools. It saves so much time when everything has a place. Now that your kitchen is functional, let's make it beautiful. Add small design touches that also serve a purpose. Bamboo containers, labeled jars, matching baskets, and open shelving for your most used items. Lighting makes a massive difference too. Add LED strips under cabinets or motion sensor lights in drawers. It's practical and stylish. Now that your kitchen looks straight out of Pinterest, let's keep it that way. Create a simple routine. Do a quick 5-minute reset every night. Once a week, check your pantry and fridge. And every few months, declutter again. Staying organized is easier when it becomes part of your rhythm. So there you have it. Kitchen organization that doesn't just make your kitchen look good, but completely transforms your cooking experience. When everything has a place, you save time, reduce stress, and actually enjoy cooking again. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more home and kitchen inspiration, and comment below. Which kitchen organization hack will you try first?